Want a stronger body? More energy? Feeling fitter and healthier? Imagine waking up every day feeling more alive, more vibrant, and ready to take on the world. You can have it all, right from your living room. No fancy gym memberships, no complicated equipment, just you, your space, and a commitment to change. This is a 4-week challenge using your own body weight. No need for expensive gear or a lot of space, just pure, effective workouts. That's right, all the amazing results with zero excuses. You bring the dedication, and we'll guide you every step of the way. We're going on a journey to unlock your inner beast. It's time to push your limits and discover what you're truly capable of. Are you ready to transform, to become the best version of yourself? This challenge is for everyone, no matter your current fitness level. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, there's something here for you. Whether you're just starting out or consider yourself a bit of a gym buff, this program will push you and deliver results. You'll see improvements in strength, endurance, and overall fitness. We're talking increased strength, fat burning, and sky-high confidence. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your progress week after week. All it takes is 20 minutes a day, 5 days a week. That's it. Let's get started and make those gains right at home. This 4-week challenge is designed to transform you from a beginner to a beast. Whether you're just starting out or looking to push your limits, this program is tailored to help you achieve your fitness goals. Each week has a specific focus, building upon the previous week. This ensures that you are constantly progressing and never hitting a plateau. Think of it like climbing a mountain. We take it step by step until we reach the top. Every small victory brings us closer to the summit. We will focus on different aspects of your fitness to make sure you are well-rounded and strong. From strength training to cardio, flexibility to endurance, we've got it all covered. Week 1 is all about building a solid foundation. This is where we lay the groundwork for everything that follows. We'll work on proper form, improving stability, and strengthening your core. These are the essentials that will support you through more advanced exercises. This is super important to avoid injuries and set you up for success in the later weeks. Injury prevention is key to maintaining consistency and achieving long-term results. Week 2 is where we ignite the fire. Get ready to push your limits and feel the burn. Get ready for higher repetitions, shorter rest periods, and maybe even some supersets and cardio bursts to get that heart rate up. This is where the real transformation begins. Week 1 is all about mastering the basics and getting comfortable. This is where we build your foundation for the weeks to come. We'll focus on exercises like squats, push-ups, lunges, and planks. These exercises work all the major muscle groups and help improve your balance and coordination. Don't worry if you can't do a full push-up yet, we'll modify it for you. Start with knee push-ups or wall push-ups as alternatives. Remember, quality is more important than quantity, especially in the beginning. Focus on performing each exercise with perfect form. This ensures you're working the correct muscles and prevents injuries. Listen to your body and take breaks when needed. Consistency is key. Now that you've built a solid foundation, it's time to turn up the heat. This week we're going to elevate your fitness journey to the next level. In week 2 we're going to push you a bit harder with more challenging exercises and shorter rest periods. This means you'll be working out with greater intensity and less downtime. Get ready for some burpees, mountain climbers, jump squats, and tricep dips. These exercises are designed to test your limits and build your resilience. These exercises will not only build strength and endurance but also torch calories. You'll feel the burn and see the results as you push through each session. We'll also incorporate some supersets into the mix. Supersets are a fantastic way to keep your muscles engaged and your heart rate up. A superset is when you do 2 exercises back-to-back without any rest. This method is highly effective for maximizing your workout efficiency. This keeps your heart rate elevated and maximizes your workout time. You'll be amazed at how much you can achieve in a short period. And get ready for some cardio bursts. These are short, intense periods of activity that will challenge your cardiovascular system. These are short bursts of intense activity like sprinting on the spot or jumping jacks that will get your heart racing and your body moving. That really get your blood pumping. Remember, you got this. Stay focused, stay determined, and let's ignite that fire within you.